Are you aware that you can now make video calls on Google Meet? It sounds interesting, right? Let me show you how. First thing to do is to open a browser and open a new tab. Then you navigate your mouse to Google Apps. It's much easier if you are using Google Chrome browser. If you are not using Google Chrome browser, then you'd have to type Google Meet in the search bar. But if you are using Google browser, navigate your mouse to Google Apps and select Google Meet from this option. This is how the new interface looks like. Initially, there was only meetings, but they've added video calls as well. You can only use Google Meet if you have a Google account. If you are looking to create one, make sure that you check out the video at the end of this video. One key thing to also note is that if your Google account is less than 4 months old, you won't get access to this feature called calls. But if your Google account is older than 4 months, then you're going to have access to this new feature that has been added to Google Meet. If you're looking to learn how to create a meeting, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar, I would leave some videos in the description that talks about that. Make sure that you check that out as well. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial. When you click on calls, if it's your first time exploring this particular feature, you'd have to verify your email address or phone number. You can also allow notifications. You can click on allow or not allow. In order to start a video call with someone, click on start a call. Over here, I would advise or recommend that you input the phone number of the person, not the email address. What happens is that when you input the email address of the person, the probability that this person is not going to get your call is very high. So make sure that over here you input the phone number of the person. After inputting the person's number, click on video call. And here you have it. So that is how you start a personal video call. When you are done with all your calls, it will be saved under recent activities and you will see all of them over here. When you click on these three dots, you have the option to delete calling history or block user. When you want to have a group video call, click on create group link. So the first thing you can do is to change the group name by clicking on this pencil icon. You type the name and click on save. Then when you click on these three dots, you can add people, reset group link, or leave the group, which you've not created yet. Over here too, you can add people. In case you don't want to send them the direct link, you can search for their contact or type their contact over here and then add them to the group. The easier way is if you don't want to add them manually, you can also copy this link and share it with your friends. And when they click on the link, they can join the call. Also, you can start a call and invite your friends to join. Exactly. So when you start a call and you send them the meeting link or the video call link, they can join with this particular link. And then you guys can have your call and talk. I'm going to leave this call right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I would respond to them. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any tutorial. I'll see you again.